Equivalent trigonometric expressions. Question 14. Given that cos of pi by 14 is approximately equal to 0.9749, determine cos 13 pi by 14. So let's try to sketch and see what we are really talking about. So when we say cos pi by 14, then we should consider this pi, this is my pi, divided into 14 equal parts, right? So that means 7 here and 7 there. So there are 14 equal parts of this pi. I mean 0 to pi, correct? Now, so let's say this is my first part, and that is what we are calling as pi by 14. Do you understand? That is pi by 14. Now when we say 13 pi by 14, that means that is 1 less than 14 pi by 14. Do you understand? 1 less. So that is this angle. Correct? So here, this one is 13 pi by 14, right? So what is the acute angle? The acute angle here is pi by 14. Do you see? This angle and this angle, they are equal. Correct? So from here, you can write that cos 13 pi by 14 is equals to cos of pi minus pi by 14, correct? You see, you'll get the same expression. That is a related acute angle, right? Now, if you apply the cast rule, correct, then you know that cos is negative here. So therefore, the value of cos 13 pi by 14 should be negative of whatever you have for pi by 14, correct? And therefore, we can write this as minus of cos pi by 14, which is, since cos pi by 14 is given to us as 0.9749, the value of cos 13 pi by 14 should be negative of 0.9749, correct? So that is how we can do it. Now, for some students that may be difficult at times, but you know, we will break 13 pi by 14. Let me show you alternate way of breaking 13 pi by 14, right? So it was, let's restart. So we get cos of 13 pi by 14. So let's say there are 14 parts, right? So we can write this as cos of 14 pi minus pi. Do you see that? 14 pi minus pi is also 13, correct? Over 14, right? Now we can divide this by 14 and this by 14. And then we get cos of pi, because 14 pi divided by 14 is pi, minus pi by 14. Do you see? In radians actually it's very easy to get the results, correct? So you could approach it either this way or graphically like that. You can see it. Or you can calculate it. Either way you work. You know this is the acute angle, correct? Pi minus pi by 14. Second, cast rule. We are comparing with the value in quadrant 1 where everything is positive. And here in quadrant 2, only sine is positive, cosine is negative. And that's why cos 13 pi by 14 will be equals to minus of cos pi by 14. Therefore, minus of the given value. That is how we are going to do it. Thank you.